So let's talk about some of the reports that are set to be released tomorrow. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Friendly reminder, tomorrow we are hosting our free live trading session, and this is going to be right at market open. So if you've ever wanted to watch me trade live, you don't have to do anything special. Just subscribe to the channel, and right at market open, I'm going to host a free live stream. YouTube should alert you, and if it doesn't alert you, next to the subscribe button, it has a little post notification bell. That will alert you when it is that I go live. If you're part of my Discord group, our free one, I will also be posting the link there just in case you don't get that YouTube notification. Please set your alarms. I can't stress that enough. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. And again, if you guys want to join our free Discord, that is that first link in the description of this video. And yes, it is free to join with over 45,000 members. What reports are set to be released tomorrow? So one of the things that you must understand is that with these different reports, the reason that they're so important is as inflation has been going up, there's different factors or different niches within that report that make up the inflation, right? So we have retail auto sales. When it comes down to the import of X oil, right? These are all things that, again, do play a role when it comes down to that CPI data report that is released once a month. By us being able to stay up to date with these overall reports, and again, these are set to be released 1 hour before the market opens. I will not be live streaming that because I'm going to be doing that free live trading session right at market open. One of the ones that I'm paying the most attention to is retail sales. And this is, again, going to, in my opinion, have the biggest influence on the overall market. Where are we with the overall market? Well, leading into Friday, today's performance, especially after that PPI report, which is the producer price index. We actually, with our previous video that I uploaded, did an overall recap. For the month of June, we reported a 1.1% increase for overall 11.6% on the year. So we did see an increase, but we're seeing a slowdown at the rate that it's increasing. So again, the idea of June being that peak month is still showing to be pretty strong as oil prices continue to drop. Oil and food, again, one of the largest contributors when it comes down to that CPI data report or that inflation that we now see at 9.1%, which is at 40-year highs. But where are we at leading into Friday? So for tomorrow's live trading session, one of the main things that I'm going to begin to pay attention to is, even before the live trading session, is where is the market trading at, right? So is the market indicating signs of an uptrend, or is the market beginning to make lower lows and lower highs? And we can see this right here that the NASDAQ futures right now, so this is, again, trading right now. The NASDAQ market is in the green 0.5%. This means that we should see that we would open up 1.5% in the green for the triple leverage ETFs such as TQQQ. One of the things that I want to point out is the same resistance level that we've been seeing for the past couple of days. Right around 25.72. This is a previous resistance level that not only we retested today, but we tested yesterday, and that was our previous support level for TQQQ 2 days ago. So now going into Friday, it's asking the question, are we going to be able to break above and finally trade into the $26, $27, and $28 range, which has been more of the overbought levels, or are we going to get rejected just like we did on Wednesday and sell right back off to $23 a share? This is something that we're going to capture in tomorrow's free live trading. First, I'm going to ask myself which, direction is the market choosing to go, bullish or bearish? Is it consistent, and is momentum in our favor? With that being said, I can better determine if I'm going to go short and or if I'm going to go long. Again, if you've ever wanted to see what it's like to watch someone buy, sell, trade in the market, right? Share the thought process. What encourages someone to buy? What encourages someone to sell? This is exactly what we're going to capture and break down in tomorrow's free live trading session. And again, I host these about once a month or once every other month because I normally only trade live privately for my Learn Plan Profit group. So if you want this access for free, again, all you literally have to do is subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up on this video, and show up tomorrow at market open as I'm going to be hosting it for free on YouTube. If you don't want to miss it and you want to get alerted, make sure that you join our free Discord group, and that's that first link down below. I'm excited to see you guys, and again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me via Discord, and I'm going to try to catch up on all those messages. One of the last things that I want to remind you is our all expenses paid staycation shop, techbud.com. Not only if you've wanted to pimp out out your trading station with some new trading mouse pads, new wall art, whatever the case might be. We have these day trader aluminum arts. This is all available at shoptechbuds.com or the fourth link down below. And for every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries. This 3-day staycation, we're going to fly you out, all expenses paid, 3 winners to meet the team and myself. We're going to have you at one of our Airbnbs, and you're going to be staying right next to the HQ and setting up different activities throughout your visit. So very excited to follow up. Again, the winner will be announced around August 7th. So please make sure that you understand that. And the dates that we're going to be actually hosting the event are August 23rd to August 25th. And again, that is at shoptechbuds.com if you want to, pick up a new mouse pad, some new wall art, and you enter automatically. So again, I will see you guys tomorrow for our live trading session. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure you drop a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me via Discord or Instagram. And again, everything is linked down in the description. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.